Today I'm going to show you how to make a Spartan Spear for under 17 bucks from Home Depot. Let's head over there now. What you want is a 3/8 by 12 inch galvanized spike. Now we need some epoxy. I like to use this epoxy because it's reusable. So now you've got your spike, you've got your rake handle. Test out the rake handle by dropping the spike right in. If it fits, you got yourself a winner. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Find everything all right?
I did.
1627.
It's been about 3 hours and we're ready to start practicing. If you like this video, please like it or subscribe down at the bottom, or do both. Good luck on your next Spartan race.